Hi all, just want to do a quick unboxing of these 2-pack of hat organizers. So when you get them, this is what you're getting. What I'm going to do though, I'm just going to put that one aside and open this one up. Looks pretty straightforward as far as it goes. Press the board below, insert the round button under the hole, auto lock, finish. So the hats look like it just locks right in. Alright, so again, here we go. Here is your packaging and bubble wrap. Comes with some hardware. Also comes with, this is like your tape, double-sided tape, so you can mount it, okay, like this. Mount it any way you want on the walls. Oh yeah, I see what it is. All right, so then you have this. So you're just going to put your hat, just like this, fold it, all right. There we go, get it to focus. Put your hat in where the little button up top is, right, and you would insert it right in here, and it would just clamp down. Not too bad. All right, I can tell you right now, pretty sturdy. Very straightforward. It's got a nice spring that's strong. I don't see these being a problem. And the fact that you can stick them without having to do any, you don't have to do the mounting hardware. You can just use the stickers. Love it. All right, yeah, no, I'd give this a shot if you guys are interested. I think these are going to be good.